Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'll show you how to join Google Meet with link. So to do that, head on to Google Form. Head on to Google Meet. Alright, so once you're here, all you have to do is create a new meeting. So I'm just going to create a new meeting for someone. So let's start an instant meeting over here. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this link, and over here you can see this is our meeting link. Someone will send you this link. All you have to do is copy that link that someone sent you and paste it on your browser, and after that all you have to do is hit enter. Alright, so it will ask you for some permission, so you can give it, and over here enter your name and then click on ask to join. Alright, so on the host side you can see this option. Alright, so on the host side the host will see something like this, and when they will click admit, you'll be inside your Google Meet like this. So that is how you can enter Google Meet with the help of the link. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.